Hi, this is Paul from Cheap Phone Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the charging port on a ZTE Blade V7. Okay, so this is a customer's phone. They brought it in, it doesn't charge, so we're going to replace the charging block, and this should do the trick. Okay, so first things first, you need a screwdriver which is named here as SS898, and then it's basically, it looks like a star, which is pentalope, I think it is, 0.8. It's the same screwdriver as undoes the bottom of an iPhone 5 upwards. And then you need just a Phillips, and this is a HP 000, and a pry tool. And you do need to 100%, make sure you do this, pop your SIM tray out. So if you pop your SIM tray out, and obviously the SIM card and memory card if you've got it in there, and then you can start getting on with the repair. So first things first, we're going to use the pentalope screwdriver, I believe it is. Sure, that's what it's called. I may be wrong there, but it's the same screwdriver undoes an iPhone 5 upwards. So you take your two screws out the bottom there, and then you want your pry tool. Now this bottom plastic piece here, you want to be careful when you're prying it. You want to be fairly careful, because if you press it too much, you'll end up snapping that bottom piece of plastic off. So you want to work your way a little bit around, because you need to get round to the outer edge, which is round this side is metal. The other side's metal as well, obviously, but so. Oh, there's certain little clips up the side. I think there's 3 clips on each side, one down the bottom, one in the middle, and then there's one towards the top as well. Up here. There you go, that's them done. And we're going to work our way around the other side. Okay. There you go. Can use a plastic pry tool as well, but I find it easier using this metal one. There you go. Okay. Got a little clip still at the top here. There you go. That's that one. One on the other side. Come on. There you go. Okay. So, back's off. Then we're down. Okay, rightio. Your Phillips screwdriver. Zoom in a bit for this. Should be able to get it in focus, hopefully. There you go. 4 screws. One there. One over here. If we can get it in there. Then we've got the one in the middle. Obviously try and lay your screws out the way they come out, and it'll be so much easier when you put them back in. Okay, so the part for this, I have had a look on eBay. You can get a part off of eBay. It's about a tenner, so it's worth doing. Be careful on this bit. There's a little metal clip bit here, there. And then there's another one on this side as well. And then you just sort of pry up it a little, pry the charging port plastic covering, which is also the speaker. Pry that up. And then you have got your metal clips here. So you've got your Lego piece here, which you need to unplug. I do, yep. Okay, where are we? Here we are. So, just pop this piece up here, like so. And that's the connector. You've also got an aerial piece here which you need to pop out as well. And after you've done that, you can then remove the charging port, like so. It's just stuck down with a little bit of tape, I would imagine. Most of these ZTE ones are. Yep. There you go. So that's that one out. And now I'm going to replace it with my new one. Here we go. Rightio. So that just slots in like so. Goes over that screw piece there. Like that. And then you want to plug your aerial back in. Sometimes these are a bit of a nightmare to get in. They can be anyway. Sometimes they just set a little bit differently. Right, that's in. So that's all plugged in. And then obviously you want to plug the flex cable in here, like so. Done. Rightio. And then we're back putting it back together. Ready to go. Clip that in like so. Make sure that's all clipped in properly. Yep. Rightio. And then we're back putting the screws in. This is it. See? So it's a fairly easy fix. You can do it yourself. You're not touching any major parts. Just got to be careful when you're going up the outside with the screen. So maybe use a plastic pry tool to do the outside. Okay. Last screw's going in. Right. And then we're putting the back on. Back slots on from the top. Like so. So you sort of put the top in and it just sort of clips down around the outer edge. There you go. Okay, bottom screws. Yeah, and the last one. Oh. Yep. And your SIM and SIM tray and memory card, obviously, if you've got one. Back in the tray. Back in the side. Okay. Now the big thing. See if it charges. Make sure we've got this running the right way. Yep. Okay. And it's charging. So there you go. So that's an easy fix for £10 basically. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If the video has helped you out, make sure you give it a thumbs up. The sub button is down below. Subscribe to see lots more phone repairs and reviews on gadgets and stuff like that. Yeah, thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.